How to make $80 fast. There are 3 websites I'm gonna show you today in this video. You don't need any skills, any experience. The skills that you have right now, you can start making money online. It's completely free to start, available worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel. Be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. How to make $80 fast. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Go transcript.com. This is the website I'm gonna show you today in this video, plus 2 other websites. Just please keep watching not to lose them, because the last website that I'm gonna show you is really cool and you can make more money by that website. So go transcript.com. This is the homepage of this website. As you can see, just by transcribing some audio files, some video files, you can get paid. That's really cool way to earn money online, and you don't need to have any special skills or experience, and you can start today. And it's really nice that it's available worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live, you can start making money with this website. And for making the actually money for you, we should come to the footer of this website here and click on here, work. After that, you will come here, over here, you will see that transcription jobs available worldwide. Yes, it's really like that. Up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, average earning per month $150, and you see top monthly earning is like that, and you can apply now. This is just like this. Just by entering your phone number here, they will send you an SMS, and then you need to take a photo of your face, and then real-time photo with verification code written on paper. Yes, you should show a code, a special code that they already gave you. This website they already gave you, and you should show beside your face, and that's all what you need to do for signing up in this website. And as you see here, do transcription jobs from home, get paid reliably, receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed, work flexible hours, and receive great support. Yes, it's really like this. They have really cool support team that's nice, and you can start and making money. And if you have any questions, if you have any problem, they are there to help you to resolve issues promptly. Yes, that's all. Choose your own projects, grow your skills. Even you can grow your skills and improve yourself. I mean, by just transcribing, actually you can learn a lot from the rest of the team, that also from their feedback, also from the support and everything, just like this. And that's all what you need to know. Is that how will I be paid? We pay every Friday through PayPal or Payoneer. And do you hire outside the UK? Yes, we hire anyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. Yes, that's all. It doesn't matter where you live. And this frequently asked questions. There are some questions here that they already answered for you. You can come here to read them. And for signing up, you should just click here, apply now, or you can just go over here and enter your phone number and send SMS. Click here. Another website that I'm gonna show you is Transcribe Me. Maybe you've already heard about this. Transcribeme.com. Fast, accurate transcripts as low as 79 cents per minute. It is for those ones, or for people, companies that they need to get their audio or video files transcribed, and they come here and they need transcriptionists. So This is the homepage of this website. For you that you're gonna make money online in this website, you should come here, over here, join as a transcriptionist. If you click here, you will come here. As you see, become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy. Yes, it's just like this. And you see, as recommended by these companies. Some more information for you here, and this is the website is Transcribe Me. Another website that's really cool website is this rev.com. Why is it cool? Because of this. It is the homepage of this website, again transcribing audio or video file. And another way, there is a cool way for this website is just like this. You should come to the footer of this website and click on here, become a freelancer. Then you will come over here, freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Yes, and you see, you should enter your first name, last name, email, and choose position. I mean, transcriptionist or captioner, transcriptionist if you like. And you can choose, you know, it doesn't matter where you live. Again, you can choose your country, and it doesn't matter where you live, and get paid weekly via PayPal, and that's all. And you see, the range of pay is 24 cents till 90 cents, and for captioner is just up to 75 cents per audio or video minute. And the cool way is this: if you know a foreign language, I mean, except for English, if you know another language, up to $3 you can get paid per audio and video minute. That's really cool. If you know a foreign language, you can come and start making money online with this amount of money for per audio video minute. That's all what you need to know. And you can come to rev.com and just go to the footer and click here, become a freelancer. You will come over here, this page, and then enter your first name, last name, email, position. You can choose transcriptionist and choose your country, and next. That's all. And then I think there are some tests for you, and you should pass the test. Then you will get some projects, some video or audio files. Then you will start making money online. The first website that I talked about today is gotranscript.com. Gotranscript.com. You should come here and then go to the footer of this website, click on here, work, and you will come over here, this page, and apply now. And the second website is transcribeme.com. Transcribeme.com. Then click here, join as a transcriptionist. Then you will come over here and click join our team, and that's all. And the last website that I really recommend you to start with this website is rev.com. And if you come here, you should go to the footer again and click become a freelancer. Then you will come over here, this page, and enter your information here, and then start making money online. And this is a cool way that if you know another language, I mean a foreign language except for English, you can earn till $3 per audio and video minute. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up and like this video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'll join the discussion and answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Click subscribe, click. I'm waiting for you. Please click subscribe to watch more videos. Please click. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel.